If you have a PC and you will like it to be faster, here are 3 tips for you. The first tip will make your PC perform as best as possible. On your keyboard, click the Window button plus R. Type in sysdm.cpl and click OK. Then click on Advance. Under Performance, click on Settings. Then change this to adjust for best performance. The second tip will assign more processors to your PC. On your keyboard, click the Window button plus R again, but type in msconfig and click OK. Click on Boot. Then Advance Options. Check the box of number of processors, then change it to the highest number you see there. This third tip is super important. First, go to Settings. Click on System. Then click on Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Then change default graphic settings. After that, turn this on.